Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create the glowing text effect in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to select the black screen to the right and I'm going to add text, just click text and select people text, and I'm just going to change for the duration in the same length with the duration of the text. Right, change the text, for example, um, red can be size and change for the color and change for the font style. Right, we're done. Select the clips, right click, create combine clip, go to effect and select the like, and you can find the angel. Just add the track and you can adjust for the string right here, like so. There we go. That's how you can use the angel effect to make the glowing text effect in CapCut for PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.